Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn on maintenance mode for a WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you're not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner you can get started with logging into your account. So if you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started using maintenance mode. Basically guys, for this we are going to be looking right here at the left side screen. We are going to find the plugins section. You want to open up the plugin section. After opening up the plugin section, it's going to open up this new plugins marketplace where you can go ahead and take a look at all the plugins that you can use for your WordPress website. Here at the top of the screen, we are going to have a search bar. So in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for maintenance mode. So by searching for maintenance mode, let's click the search option. It's going to give us the plugins right here that we can use for getting maintenance mode on our website. You have WooCommerce subscriptions or something similar that might be of use to you, but Slim maintenance mode is the plugin we can use. So you want to open up the plugin right here, and after opening it up, you can now get started with installing it. You will need a premium plan, so if you have a premium plan, you'll be able to install it right here. If not, just go ahead and upgrade. As you can see, I'm currently in a free plan, so I can do it, but just click the install button that's going to appear right here. If you have your plan, click the install button, complete the steps, and verify that you want the plugin. After that, you'll be able to open up the plugin and use maintenance mode. And that's how easy it is to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.